Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com, and today I have another one of my RocksBox unboxings. It's been a while because this box has been in my apartment for weeks. So I'm so sorry that this video is so delayed, but I'm really excited to open this up and see what's inside. So let's check it out. Now, every once in a while, I get new viewers who come to my RocksBox videos, so let me just explain for those of you who are unfamiliar with RocksBox. It is a subscription service. You are paying a monthly fee to be a member, and part of the member perks is that you will get a box with 3 curated pieces of designer jewelry in each box. When you receive the box, you can try them on, wear them out. There's no limit to how long you can keep them or how many boxes you can get. So once you've had your pieces, you try them on, you can send those 3 pieces back and they'll send you another box, or you can, if you really fall in love with something, you can purchase it at a member discount. Usually there's a member discount. So when you're paying for your membership, it is the subscription that you're paying for. It is the boxes that come to you, not the 3 pieces inside, because again, the subscription I think is $39.99 per month. I pay 6 months or a year in advance, so I will confirm it in the description box below. What you're paying for is the subscription. So with the subscription, you get deliveries of these boxes with 3 pieces. The pieces in here usually cost much more than that. We're talking about like Kendra Scott, House of Harlow, Kate Spade. So each individual piece can be upwards of $75 to $100. So you are paying to borrow the pieces, but again, there's no limit to how many boxes you can get per month. If I'm really quick about it, I can do maybe 3 boxes a month, maybe even 4 if I'm really fast, if I just wear them for a day and then send them right back. So you basically have a bottomless jewelry box at your disposal with a RocksBox subscription. I personally really like this because I don't want to invest in each and every piece. If I were buying these pieces, I mean, just think about it. If I bought 3 to 4 pieces a month and they're $75, $100, that adds up. By the end of the year, it really adds up. So this is a way that I can have an endless supply of jewelry, but not accumulate so much and have to invest in each individual piece. So I hope that clears it up for you. If not, I will link to RocksBox in the description box below so you can check out the website and read more facts there. Okay, so this is the box. It always comes with a little letter that tells me more about each individual pieces. Now the way that this works is that a stylist will pick 3 pieces of jewelry for you based on a questionnaire that you fill out, but you can swap those pieces now. So you will get an email and then you can look through what is available and swap out anything in case you have a special event or just something that you want to try out. If you want to do all gold, all silver tone, rose gold, etc., etc. So I think that I swapped these out. From what I can recall, I think I selected all 3 pieces. They sent me 3, but I just wanted to try these pieces out, so I swapped each one of them. I will confirm in a little bit, but here are the 3 dust bags, and I'm just gonna start opening them up. This one is black. Yeah, okay, now I'm remembering. Yes, I really wanted to try these pieces because they were so colorful and pretty. This one is a gold toned bracelet that is adjustable, and it has these beautiful colorful stones. So pretty. I hate when I forget that I'm wearing a hair tie, but let me show you what it looks like on my hand. So I'm placing it like this, and then you just grip it from here and push this piece up, and that's how you adjust it. It's beautiful, so colorful, so pretty. So the next are a pair of earrings from Perry Street, and one of the things that I always say over and over again that I appreciate about RocksBox is that I discover new jewelry companies and designers, and then I start knowing which ones I like. So Perry Street is a brand that I've really liked. These earrings, same theme, colorful stones in gold toned hardware. These are hoops, so pretty. And the last piece is a ring, and it's the same kind of style. It is a gold toned band with colorful crystals all around it, and I got it in a large size because I wanted to wear it on my thumb. And that's another thing that you can do on RocksBox, is that you can select pieces in different sizes. So if you wanted a ring specifically to wear on your index or your middle finger or your ring finger or your thumb, you could request that as well. Yeah, I love the way this looks. I think it's really pretty. and I'm gonna enjoy trying these out. Yeah, I love these pieces. Really beautiful. Okay, now let's open up that letter. Hey, gorgeous. Hi, Jessica. Thanks for helping us style your set. I hope these pieces better suit your style. Add some color to your ring stack. This Emily ring by Perry Street gives vibrant shine to any look. Sweet and dreamy, these glittering Kenzie hoops with rainbow crystals are perfect for your weekend getaway. Accent your wrists with a rainbow pave slider. Radiating with colorful micro pave, this piece will add a unique touch. Style it with your other delicate bracelets for a shimmering stack. Enjoy. So the Emily ring retails for $50, but I could purchase it at a member price of $42. The Kenzie hoops in rainbow retail for $55, but I can purchase them for a member price of $46. And then the Sophie Harper, which is another designer that I've really grown to love, is retails for $65, but I could purchase it at a member price of $55. And then the great thing that they do now is that they show you how much monthly credit you have. You get $21 in monthly credit that you can use towards a purchase every month. And then I have forever credit based on previous things that I've purchased or ways that I've earned credit. And then I can buy all three with an additional discount of $10. So then it says, after all that, it tells you what your final price would be if you use all those credits. So love that. Really love these pieces. I think I'm going to take them with me to Hawaii. So yay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a like and share it if you enjoyed it, or if you have any friends or family that might be interested in subscribing to RocksBox or learning more, please share this video with them. Please use that comment section below to ask any questions, make any requests, or just say hi. You guys know that I love to hear from you. And of course, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. It really helps me out. And if you click that notification button and select all, you will get notified whenever my videos come out. I make videos about beauty, fashion, travel, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.